we can return, or we can just do like this, and there is onboarding.map. We can also come here and say onboarding from we are bringing this onboarding from constants, which are this over here, and we have these at constant get here, then we bring them from right here. So now there is something that is not feeling good right here. So let me check it in there. Let me check it in from the Copilot. Let me paste it here and see what might be the problem. See, it's saying onboarding.map, in item and index, then arrow, there is a div. This div in our case is supposed to be view. Then we get that, right? So I think we also have onboarding right here, which is saying item.title, item.title. Let me check this. Let me just take this one and place it right here. When you see format, you see everything is now cool. But this is div, it should be view, because we are using the React native, and this H should be text. Remember that the any text should be within the text, and come to React, and I can do away with this a bit, that you can see whether there is title being displayed, and Control S,